Hello students, myself Om Prakash Katre and today we are discussing the importance of species diversity to the ecosystem. How the diversity of the species is important for the ecosystem. The student does the number of species in community really matter of functioning of the ecosystem? Is any important of the species in the ecosystem? So many ecologists have not been found that what is the role of the species in ecosystem. For many decades, ecologists believe that the communities with the more species generally tend to more stable. So they have found that the if in community there are the more species, then the community is the stable community. If the in community there are the less species, that the stability of the community is very less. So what is mean by exact community? Community is means what? So the stable community, when we used to say, so we used to say the stable community means that community where the variations are the very less year to year. Any one community where the variations come in the species, very not come the any variation in the species. So the community is stable and unstable. We are deciding on basis of the variation. If there is no variations in the species in the community, if in community whatever species are there, so there no variations come year by year in the species, so the stable community should not show the too much variation in productivity from year to year. So it means that species which are occur in the community are resistant and they are not disturbed by the natural activity or human activity. They are not affected by the any kinds of enemies and alien species also. Okay, so this type of community where variations are not occur year by year, and that's community is the stable community. There was the one scientist, that is David Tillman, and this David Tillman conducted the many experiment, long-term ecosystem experiment, and he observed that using the outdoor plot provides some tentative answer. So Tillman found that the plot with the more species show the less year to year variation in the total biomass. It means he observed the if the biodiversity is more in the particular area. So any one area where the biodiversity is more or more species are there and no variations come year by year, so their biomass is high. He also shows that his experiment increased diversity contributed to higher to productivity. So according to the Tillman, what is the role of species in the ecosystem? So Tillman said that after conducting the many experiment, he said that in any one area or any one field, if their biodiversity is high, it means the community is the stable. And if more species are there, so where more species are there, then so less year to year variation in the local. So variation will not come there. And if variation are not come, species are more in number, it means stability is high. He also thought that the experiment, if biodiversity increases, it means higher productivity. So where is the biodiversity is higher? So here question is the species diversity is the higher, then it benefit to ecosystem because the productivity of our ecosystem will be increases. And if productivity will be increases, it means there large number of the organism will survive. So here it is the importance of species diversity to the ecosystem according to the David Tillman. But exactly what is the importance of the species in the ecosystem? It was not known. So rich diversity is not only essential for the ecosystem health, but the imperatively very survival of the few. So if biodiversity is, we may not understand completely how species richness contribute to the well-being of the ecosystem. It means the David Tillman said that's the if species diversity is more, then the productivity be higher. But again, it's a came how the rich biodiversity is useful. So it's came to know that the rich biodiversity is a ecosystem for it is essential for the ecosystem, not only essential for ecosystem, but it's essential for survival of the human races on these planets also. When we are losing species at the alarming level, if the any species of ecosystem is extinct or it is lost, so there will be the effect on the ecosystem, there will be the effect on the bioproductivity, there will be the effect on the human being. So western ghat ecosystem be less functional if one of the tree frog species is lost. However, so here question is asked, if the some species of the frog will be lost, so can in Western Ghat ecosystem will be affected? So yes, the answer is if because the frog species are disappear, it means the snake which are depend on the frogs, they will die due to the lack of food, and insect are feeded by the frog. So the population of the insect will be increases, and thus what happen, there will be disturbance in the ecosystem if any one of the species is removed from the ecosystem. Let's we can understand if instead of 20,000 species, if there are only 15 species of the ant on the earth, so can they affect the ecosystem? The answer is yes. Now, another conclusion and important regarding the species diversity in ecosystem, here you will see the paragraph. There are no direct answers to net, there are no direct answer to such and live question, but we can develop proper perspective through the analogy driven purpose. So here it is said, what is the importance of species diversity? Exactly we don't know. Exactly we don't know that what is the importance of the species diversity to the ecosystem. But this can be understand very easily by Rivet-Popper hypothesis. Rivet is the nut bolt and Popper is the part. Okay, so Rivet-Popper hypothesis is what? First, we should understand the Rivet-Popper hypothesis has been given. It's given by the ecologist Paul Ehrlich. So Paul Ehrlich that gave the Rivet-Popper hypothesis, and he explained by this hypothesis what is the importance of species in ecosystem. So this is the very important Rivet-Popper hypothesis for examination point of view now. So rivet, as I told you, nut bolt, and popper it means some parts, okay, which are tied with the nut bolt. So the ecologist Paul Ehrlich, he compared the aeroplane. In an aeroplane, he said that it's an aeroplane. There are the different part. So aeroplane is made up of different part. So our ecosystem consider as a aeroplane. Ecosystem is an aeroplane, and aeroplane is made up of many parts because many parts are joined together to form the aeroplane. So in aeroplane there are the thousands of the parts, okay, such as our ecosystem is like the aeroplane. In our ecosystem there are thousands of species. First understand, aeroplane is compare as a ecosystem. Aeroplane is made up of thousands of parts. Similarly, our ecosystem is made up of thousands of the species. So Rivet is the species and aeroplane is a ecosystem. Now, if every passenger traveling in the aeroplane, it take the one part every time. So, if every passenger traveling and they start taking out the one part every time, means from ecosystem some of the species get removed step by step. So if every passenger take out the part of the aeroplane every day, what will happen? He may not be affect the flight safely. So at the beginning, if one passenger is taking out the bulb, another passenger is taking out the fan, another passenger is taking out the window. So such type of different passenger are taking out the part of the aeroplane. It means initially the functioning of the aeroplane will not be affected. From similarly, aeroplane is like the ecosystem, and from the ecosystem, if species get lost, if species decreases day by day, if the species are removed, and what happen? Initially, the ecosystem function will not be affected. But as more and more rivets are removed, it means more and more species are removed from the ecosystem, then what happen? The plane become dangerous weak over the period of time. After some time, what we will see, every passenger will take out the part of the aeroplane, and then aeroplane will come in the dangerous condition. Furthermore, which rivet is removed away also be critical. It means the from ecosystem step by step the species are removed. But which of the species is removed that can cause the threat to the ecosystem? Which part is removed from aeroplane, then aeroplane will not function. So answer is loss of rebate on the wings. If any passenger will take out the wings of the aeroplane, it means wings are the main part of the aeroplane. Similarly, in ecosystem there are number of species. But if key species of the ecosystems are removed, if the key species of the ecosystem are removed, so functioning of the ecosystem will be completely disturbed or completely not work. It means here we can compare there are the many species in our ecosystem. So if one species get removed initially, no problem. But continuously if species will remove, then ecosystem will not function. As I have compared, in aeroplane there are the many part, but every passenger take out the one part every day. So in such cases, initially the functioning of the aeroplane will be not disturbed. But any one of the passenger will take out the wings of the aeroplane, which are the key species of the ecosystem will taken out. In such cases what happen? The aeroplane will unable to function. So here by this example, Paul Inrich tried to explain, Hurlich tried to explain that what is the role of species in ecosystem. So the importance of species diversity in ecosystem, we have to think about two things. Number one, if species diversity is the high, then there will be more stability. So these are the three important importance of species diversity to the ecosystem. Number one, ecosystem with high biodiversity are more productive than ecosystem with the lower biodiversity. If biodiversity is there high, it means productivity is high. David Tillman showed his experiment that increased diversity contribute the higher productivity. It was David Tillman. Second, we have discussed diversity is essential for the stability of ecosystem. Communities with the more species are more stable than those the less species. This was the second. And third, rich biodiversity is also essential to make the ecosystem more functional and survival of the human race on the earth and Rivet Popper hypothesis explained by the Paul Hurley. Okay, so by this hypothesis it is explained clan there are the different part in the aeroplane. If the parts of the aeroplane losses continuously, one day will come aeroplane will not work. Similarly, in our ecosystem, there are the number of species. If the keystone species are remove continuously, the initially they will not affect the ecosystem, but when key species of the ecosystem are removed, then ecosystem get disturbed and it's become non-functional. So it is about the importance of species diversity to the ecosystem. Thank you.